Stop! One small mistake could ruin your entire trip. Lose money, waste a day, or worse, star in your own travel horror story. Give me 9 minutes, and I'll save you hours, dollars, and possibly your dignity. Hey traveler, welcome to Blueberry Holidays. I'm your faceless guide, but definitely not faceless on knowledge. And today, we're breaking down the 5 biggest mistakes tourists make in major cities. This isn't sugar-coated, it's practical, sometimes savage, always useful advice.
And stay with me,
because I'm about to drop a few bonus hacks and a rule of thumb that would save you for sure right before we end the video, and also a quick gadget tip just for you. So come along. Picture this. Tourist bubbles that eat your wallet.
looking like a walking rob me sign?
Airport taxi scams that drained more wallets than Vegas slot machines.
The painful oops. It's closed. Heartbreak.
And the tech fail that leaves you stranded in the middle of nowhere. Diving into mistake number 1. Staying only in the tourist bubble. Picture this. You land in Paris. Book a hotel near the Eiffel Tower. Eat a 10 euros crepe. And go home thinking you've experienced French culture. Spoiler alert, you didn't. Tourist districts are like Disneyland. They're safe, they're shiny, and they're designed to vacuum your wallet. The food, triple the price, half the flavor. The souvenirs, same keychains, you'll find in 5 other countries. The vibes, basically one giant selfie queue instead. Take a metro. 3 stops out. That's where you'll find the Grandma de Pasta shop in Rome that makes you cry happy tears after one bite. Or the $2 taco stand in Mexico City that destroys any 5-star hotel meal. Want proof? Walk 5 minutes away from the Eiffel Tower. The crepes drop from 10 euros to 3 euros. Same Nutella, less regret. The only authentic experience you'll get in Times Square is realizing you paid $12 for a hot dog. Okay, mistake number 2. Looking like a tourist. And no, it's not just about wearing the giant sun hat and Hawaiian shirt combo. Though if that's you, respect. I see you. Tourists act like billboards. Backpack sagging, DSLR swinging, paper maps unfolded like it's $1,999. Or worse, the shirt that says I love NYC. Congratulations! You just announced your PIN number on your forehead. Basically, you're walking Wi-Fi for pickpockets. Know how to blend in. Dress
Neutral.
not pajamas, not runway, just normal. Use a small crossbody bag, not a giant turtle shell backpack.
And here's my personal hack.
Don't unfold giant tourist maps in the middle of the street like you're about to summon Dora the Explorer. Save the directions on your phone. Duck into a cafe, or at least pretend you're checking Instagram while secretly figuring out where the heck the metro is. Because nothing screams rob me louder than, honey, is the Colosseum left or right? While holding a map the size of a bedsheet. Behavior hack. Watch locals. Copy their pace, their posture. Headphones in one ear only. ATM use. Lean in. Block the keypad. Look like you've robbed a bank before. If you look like a secret agent, you won't get scammed unless you're a very bad secret agent. Which I definitely am. So take my advice. Turning to the 3rd mistake. This one hurts. Not researching public transport and eventually falling for taxi scams. Picture it. You land in Bangkok, half asleep, and a guy whispers, "Taxi, my friend." Helpful, right? Wrong. That's the $150 ride worth $30. Scams come in flavors? No meter, broken card machine, or the classic, "I'll take you to my cousin's jewelry shop on the way." Solution: research before you land.
No, if Uber works, if there's an airport train, or if you need a Metro card.
Always use official apps Uber. Local equivalents where available. Or find a taxi queue with meters. If a driver says no meter, you'd say, no meter. No ride. Simple, sharp, walk away. Rehearse that, it's strangely empowering. Well, nothing bonds travelers faster than realizing you all got scammed by the same guy named Tony. But there sure are many other useful ways to bond with the other travelers. And yes, Tony has cousins in every city. You'll meet him. Trust me. Mistake number 4. Oh, this one is pure heartbreak. You wake up at 6 a.m., skip breakfast, climb 40 minutes, uphill in Barcelona, only to find a sign that says closed on Mondays. On a Monday. And now your dream Instagram photo is just you crying in front of a locked gate. Museums, temples, entire neighborhoods. They all have different schedules. And don't forget local holidays. Solution! Triple check. Google the official site and reviews. Screenshot them. Data won't always be there when you need it. And nothing tarnishes your travel like flying across the world to stare at a closed door. Time for mistake number 5. Your phone decides to die at the worst possible second. Rely only on Google Maps with cellular data. Great, until you're underground in a metro or your SIM won't connect. Rely on public Wi-Fi to pay for a ride. Risky? Also, battery drain. Long days, photo sprees, translation apps. Suddenly your phone is a very expensive paperweight. Get an offline map app and download maps before you go. Carry a reliable portable charger and a short cable. Not a giant brick, just a good one. Save screenshots of your bookings and address in local language. And consider an eSIM or local SIM so you're not hunting for Wi-Fi. Tiny confession. Travel horror stories don't just happen in movies. Mine got very real once. Lost bag, no passport, pouring rain. What saved me? Not luck? A tiny gadget, my switchbot, safety alarm, fits in my pocket, flashes, screams, even triggers a fake call. Link below if you want that kind of backup. Oh, this reminds me. Never, ever leave all your chargers in one bag. Spread them. Think redundancy. Tour smarter, not harder. Okay, there we go. Bonus time. 3 tiny habits that quietly save trips. Bonus number 1. Pre-trip. Digital prep screenshot important docs. Put copies in cloud. And use password managers for booking logins. Bonus number 2. Local language one-liners. Learn 3 phrases. Hello. Thank you. And where is the police?
They go a long way.
The third bonus tip. Night plan always have a plan B. Ride app or a local number for a trusted taxi saves late night panic. Okay, I know you're craving for a pro bonus tip, so this one's just for you. 3 golden words. Keep 2 itineraries. One for daytime and the other one, if it's later than X p.m. plan, ask hotel staff or your host. Is it okay if I walk to the market at 10 p.m.? If they hesitate, listen. When in doubt, call a trusted ride instead of walking. Now finally, time for the rule of thumb. Trust your gut. If it feels off, it is. And if someone shoves a bracelet on you, don't pay. Just walk. Also, don't hand over passports. And hey, what was the worst travel mistake you ever made? Tell me in the comments. Let's build a war room of wisdom for future travelers. Also, save this video. 1 share could save your friend from a nightmare. If this helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for more Blueberry holidays. We do hidden gems, premium travel guides, and hacks that actually work. And check the description for the tracker I mentioned. It's small, discreet, and has saved more than 1 wallet. Next video, we'll dissect the 5 tricks to navigate public transport like a local anywhere. Subway secrets, bus hacks, and how not to look lost while literally being lost. See you there, safe traveler.